Yeah, that's Junior. There's little prints all through here. It's got me wondering though, where's Mama at? That's what I don't like, him being down here alone. All right, I'm picking up his scent. Smell it? Wait till you get right here. He is, it's definitely strong.
Ew.
Definitely strong in this area. Come on. Come on. Let's keep moving forward.
Hey, you.
We're
It
gonna.
smelled like that when we walked through.
Yeah, he's in the area.
You're like freaking out.
We're gonna get, hey, looky here. Another little heel mark. This way, babe. Follow me. We're not gonna pressure it. We're just gonna move up it slowly and sit and listen for a minute.
Hey.
Keep watching for tracks.
Take the way we came. Lost my shoe again.
Did you smell that though? Oh, he's here, babe. No, I'm not stopping recording now. Junior's up there somewhere. We're gonna stop here in a second and just record.
You record. I'll fish.
Alright.
Spray. Give me that spray. How cute is it?
Here. It's in my bag. Lots of bent and broken branches down here. Where you at, buddy? Where you at? Crap, here comes a car. Daggone it. No, I can hear it moving down the dirt road. I lost his scent.
Because we were up there where it was.
It was coming this way. This is the way the wind was blowing from, babe. He's up here somewhere. I got a feeling that car probably just ran him off. See the wind? Take a big whiff. See if you... Yeah, I'm not smelling him now. Damn it.